And all of that means that I need to hire some people, and of course, I'm gonna turn to you guys. I wanna believe and I know that there are some incredibly talented people watching these videos.
Hey Siri, load up Matti Hapoya starter pack. Alright, let's do this.
Hey Matti, I hope you really enjoyed that video. My name is Alex, I'm 25 years old. I'm a graphic and web designer by trade. I'm living in Barrie, which if you do remember, your editor Matt is also from here, so some good talent coming from Barrie. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed that little segment. As you can see, I do have a lot of skills to give and to help and to just come alongside your team and to do the best that I can to help you with your goals and endeavors. So I've done a lot. I've edited and recorded a podcast. I've created YouTube thumbnails. I even applied to another YouTuber's position, Nathaniel Drew, to be his graphic designer, and I did a little video showing some of my process. I've managed social media accounts. I've shot and edited photos myself. I've shot and edited travel vlogs and videos myself as well, which you can check on my YouTube channel. I even wrote music, which you can listen to here. I've built a soccer club brand from the ground up with a couple others. So I've got a lot of creative experience in different areas. I've prototyped and built websites. So, you can call me a jack of all trades, master of some. And the reason why I like to say that is because I do believe I have skills to help bring all your ideas and your goals to life. These two companies that you want to work on with the YouTube community and this clothing line, I can help with developing logos, developing websites, and all that stuff. And I don't know if you remember, but I did enter your logo design competition, and also I helped you with your motion graphics pack. So I've already kind of been a part of your company and of your brand, and I just want to continue that. And I think you're a really awesome person to work with. From what I've seen, I've been a longtime YouTube fan of yours, and I've been subscribed to you, I think, since 2018. So I've just been with you for the long haul. So super excited to get the chance to apply, and yeah, hope to hear back from you. All right, peace.